Coinbase Wallet Tutorial, Step-by-Step Guide for Beginners. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about Coinbase and let's show you how you will be able to use their wallet. Now, Coinbase is a platform that will allow you to handle and do business with cryptocurrency. In mobile, or there are different platforms in Coinbase. You will be able to utilize Coinbase in your desktop, your mobile, or on any platform that you prefer. As you can see here, you will be able to download your Coinbase wallet on iOS, Android, web, and your Google Chrome. For our tutorial or for our demonstration, I will be utilizing the browser version. But it should be the same way, or the function should be exactly the same for your mobile. As you can see, this is like a preview of what it looks like on mobile, as you can see. Now, let me show you what it would look like on our browser. So, navigating to your extensions button over here, or extensions tab, you will be able to see the Coinbase extension available over here after you install it in the Chrome Web Store. Will be available as you can see here. This is what it looks like as you can see. Now going back, let's view it again. Over here, you will be able to log in with your account. So over here, let's review terms, accept terms, there we go. So as you can see, I already logged into my account. But if you don't have an account yet, it will just basically allow you to add or create a new wallet. If it will typically give you the 12-word code, that is typically what different cryptocurrency platforms would utilize to ensure that you are able to recover your account in the future and use it also for verification. So let me zoom in over here and show you the different assets. Oh, I can't zoom in. Never mind then. So anyway, over here you have your typical features. You have the buy, swap, send, receive, and expand over here. So we could click and expand so that we could actually view it in a website preview or like a website view. So it's a bit harder to keep viewing it from the extension. So we have a version over here for like a website, but this is going to be taken, or the data from this is taken from your extension. So as you can see right now for me, I don't have anything in my assets just yet. The different assets that I can have are cryptocurrency. I could also have NFTs. We have DeFi, and we could also get it from transactions. And there's also test nets over here. So this will only have content when we send cryptocurrency to other people. So how do you get or buy crypto? So over here under crypto, you can simply click on buy crypto. But this for over here, it will require us to confirm this. So let's simply click on sign in and then simply enter the password that you have entered. So let me enter my password. Uh, there we go. Oops, so let's try it again. I think I made or I typed the wrong password, I guess. Sign in. So let's type it again. Click on enter, and there we go. After validating or having or confirming the login, as you can see, let's simply click on continue to Coinbase. Now it will redirect us to another page where we want or if we want to buy our different cryptocurrency. So this will confirm our payment process, stuff like that. So you're going to have to sign in here again. But for that section, it's just going to ask you to set up or like fix up your payment process or payment method. Of course, since you're going to buy, you have to have something to purchase. So over here. So we could actually put here how much we are going to pay. So we are currently trying to buy ETH or Ethereum, and you could simply search up different assets over here, different type of cryptocurrency. You could choose over here different networks. There's multiple networks over here. If you want to choose the Binance over here, you will be able to see some Binance or BNB over here. So for example, this one, and I'm willing to spend like say $50 worth of BNB. So that will only get us 0.0794 BNB. So if I want to spend like let's say 500, it's the same thing, but I think that's for per dollar. So yeah, that's going to be 0.7. So it's almost one. So if we do 5,000, it's going to give us almost 8 BNB. And then you could choose your destination or your address, of course. And let's check out other things. So we could also send. You could send our cryptocurrency. So this will only available if you have a content, of course, if you have a cryptocurrency in our wallet, and then we could send it to people. Then we could also receive it uh, into our wallet. So we have our wallet over here. So this is something you will be entering in your send option. You're going to be sending other people's version of this. So this is ours. So this is receiving end. So we could give this to the person sending the cryptocurrency to us. And this is also what we will be entering when we are sending cryptocurrency to other people. Then they could see the balance, the provider, and networks over here. We could also swap cryptocurrencies over here. So if you have a cryptocurrency, let's click on add. I guess it's going to make us buy again. But you're just basically going to select the cryptocurrency that you have, and you could choose between what cryptocurrency you want it to be exchanged to. So let's say you want to convert your Doji Cat or your Doge coin to BNB. You will be able to do it through that. You will be able to convert. Of course, the values of those two items are different. So let's say just this is just an example. For one Dogecoin, you could get like zero point 0.5 BNB coins. So you have to be aware, or you have to expect that it's not going to be the same value. It's not going to be 1-to-1 ratio or 1-to-1 exchange rate. So there's different values, or the values of this different cryptocurrency vary from one another. There's also different apps over here that you can check out that are available in Coinbase. And then over here in our home, we can select the wallet that we are going to be viewing. You will be able to see other random information over here, trending information, cryptocurrency, or blockchain related information over here. And then you could also create your own information over here for other people to view. And then let's actually view this one more time. Over here, it's basically the same thing. Over here, you can check out your transactions. You can check out the list of transactions or people or your past transactions that you have made, whether it's buying or sending to other people. You will be able to see it there. And there's settings over here that you can check out. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.